And welcome to this week's Market Outlook. You're here with your host, Pastor Pips. Accompanied with me today, we have Jacob. How you doing, my bro?
I'm blessed, bro. How are you?
I am doing well. Well, let's just get straight into this week's economic calendar. Okay, so far in terms of looking at the economic calendar from a overview or a bird's eye view, it's very not much is really happening. Okay, so we might have a very technical focused week ahead of us, and that's absolutely a-okay. So early doors in terms of today, Monday, we've had some retail sales for the New Zealand dollar. We do have Governor Bailey speaking later today. Tuesday, we don't really have much in terms of high impact news, but there is some news that may create some volatility. But in terms of what we really need to focus on is realistically the NZD interest rate decision, rate statement, and also policy statement. So the NZD might have some volatility coming its way this week. We might see it continue to lose some strength as we've seen, the likes of Euro NZD continue pushing up higher. Come Thursday, we've got non-defense capital goods for the US dollar, also GDP for the US dollar annualized for the first quarter. So yeah, we'll see how the dollar reacts to that as well. But nonetheless, let's move straight over to the charts. So today, for you guys, I'm going to start off with gold. Now, looking at gold, okay, we did actually pierce this equal high that's been left outstanding last week. We filled some of this imbalance. I would like to see price continue to push up higher. I would like to see the bullish strength of gold keep on pushing and clear this whole bit of imbalance that's been left over. A key target for me is going to be around the 1941 area. We do have this last buy to sell candle, which pretty much slid price all the way down. We haven't come to that area yet to mitigate. So I do believe that that is the next area price is heading towards. Would like to see price push up from my eye level here and continue pushing up higher. But of course, everything is going to be given in our Discord channel. Now, swiftly moving on. Not too sure why my screen is now frozen. Okay, cool. Swiftly moving on. My next pair for you guys is going to be on US 30, dirty 30. Okay. So for US 30, looking at the picture from the daily perspective, okay, we did actually come down lower and take out these lows. Okay, there's definitely liquidity sitting beneath this zone here. We've come and pierced it. Now, looking at the 4-hour picture, I do see this last or these two last buy to then sell candles, which push price all the way down. We do have a 4-hour area where I'd like to see price come down to potentially mitigate out of before pushing up higher. Looking a bit closer, we do have this candle here that's sitting in around 34,434, where we've actually seen price react and mitigate out of previously. Would like to see prices potentially give us a short from there to actually potentially take out some buys out of this 4-hour zone for prices to head up higher. What's interesting is the 4-hour, we actually have taken out some higher lows, which is leading me to believe that we could be seeing some bearish price action for US 30. And yeah, other than that, that is it from me. I'm going to be passing you over to Jacob.
Appreciate it, bro. Right then, guys. So today I've got the DXY for you. I'm going to go over that for you and break it down. We had a slight push last week, temporary bullish actions kind of later on in the week, before trialing back down into this daily lit block. And in coming back to it, we kind of had another push on Friday. So overall, I don't think this area is going to hold. I do think potentially we could see some liquidity wiped out to the upside before then coming and crashing through this area on a total perspective. One area I am currently looking at to see if we can breach the area is this candle here. As we are kind of heading down towards it. It is only Monday. Again, I'm not expecting this to rally down, although we could rally down come New York session into here and then potentially get that reversal. But yeah, I would just kind of like to see a bit of these equal highs taken out and actually mitigate and fill some of these imbalances left a bit higher. So overall, still bearish on the dollar. I do believe it is still going to be spiraling down lower. But if we can get a push from this area to kind of clear some of the highs that we left from last week, that would be great. Because for the majors, I am expecting some pullbacks on the majors as well. before, you know, continuing the bullish streaks that they have been on. But yeah, that's kind of one kind of picture that we're looking at for the DXY. We just want to see if we can get a push from that area to see if we can, you know, continue the bullish volume that we got from last week. So again, just watch out for that. So the other pair that I've got an eye on is GBP USD. So what I'm kind of pointing out off of that as well is I want to see a buy, you know, present itself from a bit lower. We are in that overall higher time frame, weekly time frame candle, and we have been having some pushes out of there. So two scenarios that could potentially happen, okay, on this pair. One of them is that we head up higher from this area that we're at now, as we've played back into this candle here. And we also have the London open session candle as well. It's kind of played back into it, but it's not really shown any real bullishness from coming into the zone. It's actually just spiked into it, and it's been met with low volume. So one area that I would like to, you know, potentially see a short from is back up at this candle here from last week, where we kind of got that slide down. So as and when, if we can get back up there, whether it's this afternoon or you know, tomorrow, I will be looking to play that area. So that is the first scenario. If we can get a short from there, if we don't get the short from there, and I just go back over to the 4 hour quick, and we breach this area here, we can see that we have reasons to go higher in regards to you know, two pushes in this area, creating those equal highs there. And there's actually a zone a bit higher up here where price has yet to mitigate from as well. So that's the secondary option in regards to seeing if price does want to push higher to that zone to give us that mitigation. If it doesn't, then, you know, at the end of the day, we still got to play this setup that is, you know, I'm favoring off of this candle here. Okay, so that, you know, is kind of what I'm eyeing up so far in the weeks, in the week to come, should I say. So, you know, as and when other opportunities present themselves on other pairs, they will be handed out in our Discord channel, as Josh was saying earlier. So if you're not in the Discord channel, again, go over to our website where you can get access to our community in the packages section. Okay, it's only £25 a month. A lot of value is thrown in there. So if you're not already in the Discord and you're looking to get, you know, join up with a community and just be around people that are you know, trading the same methods of you and just looking at things the way that you look at them, head over to our packages section and get in the Discord. So again, pretty slow start in regards to what, you know, I've analyzed on my pairs. Those are the only real ones imminent that kind of makes sense to us at the moment. So as and when, you know, the week progresses, we're due to be bombing the charts with bombing the Discord with more charts, excuse me. So those are the main ones that we're looking out for. And yeah, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you found this video useful. Comment, like, subscribe. We need to get our rates up in regards to how many subscribers we have. You know, it's in the high 70% of people that watch our videos that do not subscribe. So if you're one of them, hit that button, please. And you know the vibes.
It's lit time. And remember,
Yeah,
every
remember,
day
every day is money day.
Peace.